In this video, we're doing some cooking, only using the things we have in our pantry. So if you're interested in seeing what I prepared, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. And on my website, creativelymissme.com, I've created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Now let's jump on into this video. Today I'm participating in a closed collaboration. And this collaboration is entitled The Quarantine Cooking at Home with Me, Red Beans and Rice. Now this collaboration is hosted by the Sister Circle. And our honorary hosts are Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan. Now, if you're not familiar with these two ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist for the Sister Circle down below in the description when it becomes available. Now, what they asked us to do was to cook through the quarantine time. Only cook what you have in your pantry or your freezer. So I picked out something that I always keep on hand, which is dried beans. I have so many different types of dried beans, so I thought, why don't I cook red beans and rice? Now mine is a little bit different, give it to you. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here are the items I'm using for this. I have pinto beans or red beans. I keep them in the pantry. I have a big container in there. I'm using the minced garlic, a can of tomato paste, some paprika, some chili powder, salt and pepper, and I'm using brown rice instead of white rice. And then I will be using bell pepper and then some ground meat. So I'm going to try to do it step by step. I'm really not a measurer of how much seasonings I put in. I put in my seasonings according to taste. Now, first off, I'm a country girl, and I have that bowl there because we always soak our dried beans to make sure that the old ones or the bad ones will float to the top. Now, I let them soak for about 35 to 45 minutes, and I just let them sit in this water so they will absorb the water, and then the bad ones, as I said, will float to the top. So I'm going to let them sit, and then I will return. here, why don't you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. So here's the final look, my red beans and rice with cornbread and seared chicken breast. I hope you enjoyed my video.